You're the one I'm dreaming of, thinking of when I think
Hey
of
guys, welcome
love.
back, and today I'm
The
going to
time
talk
we
about one of the
spent,
most favorite iPhone
the
that I
shit
thought
we've
Apple
done.
made, but after 2+
I'm
years things
convinced
are looking different and I no
this is
longer think
what
that this is the
they be
iPhone that
talking
should be
about.
bought or
When they
kept like
talk
even for a year. And here's why. So this phone was released back in 2020 just like the other iPhones, but my expectations were high from this phone. I mean, if you'll see my previous video about the iPhone 12 mini, in which I almost sounded biased. I was in love with this iPhone 12 mini, but this phone didn't age well. Like, to be honest, after 6 months this phone is just trash. Yes, it is trash. Starting with the display, well, at first I was in love, but after a few time I realized the Pro models are also perfect when it comes to sizes like iPhone 13 Pro, 12 Pro, 14 Pro. I mean, genuinely, these sizes are perfect for your phone. I felt that because I have to pressure my eyes sometimes actually to read a blog, or even if I have to type something, I press same alphabet like several times just because my fingers are not small and I tend to type wrong things, and that is the big problem for me when it comes to smaller phones. But if we talk about like other things like the quality of the display, well, it's good. Like just like other iPhones, you won't have any problem. That's what I feel, and it can last even more than 2 years for you very easily.
This is what
Let's
they
talk
be
about the
talking
camera,
about. When
which
they
is my
talk
favorite part for this phone. Like seriously, size does matter here. It's very easy to click few selfies now and then with just one hand, and also this camera has a dual lens setup which comes in handy with portrait shots as well. And to be honest, I have no complaints with the camera department whatsoever. It's perfect for my kind of use because I'm a very light user of camera, so for me it's something that I don't focus a lot, but still it can last till 2024 easily. Next comes up the design, and I use this phone naked. Seriously, I don't use the cover at all because of the size. You do get a grip, and as long as I remember, I haven't dropped this phone like from the longest. This aluminum rails in the side helps ones to grip the phone, and yes, glass back catches up smudges easily but won't be a big issue. Rather than that, I have few dents here and there, but this department is sorted. If you drop your phone too often, well, I would say try using a smaller size phone. You might save some money in the breakage. Now comes the part which I feel I hate the most about this phone, and this reason is all alone for me to make this video, which is the battery life. I mean, Apple can be so bad at this. I mean, seriously, I'm getting like 3 hours of screen on time. I have to charge this phone 3 times a day. Don't expect this to be a powerhouse. It will disappoint you like crazy. When I bought this phone, it was getting me like 4 hours or something, but now my battery health is at 86%, and I genuinely don't know how it's even possible that battery life is this worst in this phone. If I start playing games on this iPhone like right now, I can bet you after 2 hours you are finished. You need a charger around the corner all the time. If you really want to know, one liner to this, to just end this video, battery thing is not enough, and that is enough for you to make decision. Well, if you're paying this much for a phone, you expect this to last for you like good 2 years. It's better to go for an iPhone 12 or even for 11 Pro. If we compare this to my sister's iPhone 10R, 10R is better than this. I mean, seriously. Other than that, I don't have any reason to hate this phone. The display I can work with, speakers are clear, loud, a feel of the phone is top notch. It does make you feel premium. Device, it charges pretty fast, and for the price, it's a steal. But why would you buy a phone that has the worst battery life that you can come across? And that's, my friend, is enough to say no to iPhone 12 mini after 2 to 3 years. And there you go. There you have it. I hope you liked the review. And if you did, do let me know in the comments down below. And I'm AJ, and I'm signing off. Bye bye.